approach Dougie Hamilton to get it deep. Trevor Van Riemsdyk finished off hard by Clutterbuck.
He chips it around Hamilton. Now watch Van Riemsdyk. See how he turns? And just right at that second, he leans in. He's bracing for the contact.
Filppula gains entry. The trailer. Scott Mayfield right in. Out in front, just wide. Carolina swiftly through the center zone. Warren Foegele right in for a chance off Leonard. And cleaned up by Adam Pelech.
Wow, great skill level there from Foegele.
Komarov in control, marked by McKegg. No draw back. Beauvillier. Stopped by Mrazek. To the slot, Anders Lee. A backhand for Barzal. Across. They score! Matt Barzal angles one in off a stick. Power play goal. The Islanders are off. Eberle with Cizikas. Walks in there, Cizikas, just off his stick. Peter Mrazek in frustration, injured, and he's gone off.
And Curtis McElhinney will come in now and get a look at this play here as Eberle came out of the box and Mrazek went across and something wasn't right when he went from his right to his left.
Yeah, watch his reaction right here. Bush with the right leg. He kind of... Yeah, he's shaking his head.
Yeah, I mean, I could see it right away, and he was signaling to the bench with his stick.
Islanders cross the line. Bailey in front, Taves with a shot. Turned out by McElhinney. Along the boards, out of the corner, Cizikas in front. Oh, McElhinney the save a couple of times. He got the follow-up of Scott Mayfield. Foegele now with a shot, and he scores! Warren Foegele. To the point. Slavin looks around. He'll walk that line. The first off for Teravainen. They score! Through a screen in front. Nino Niederreiter going down. Teravainen with the shot. Leading the best of 7 series. 1-0. A centering pass. Barzal stopped. McElhinney right on the spot. The Islanders trap the zone. Bailey has Barzal. He clanks it off the pipe. Williams can't handle it. Eberle's in. Lee's follow-up. Hold on.
Thought the puck hit the crossbar.
So did I, and it did. So we're okay.
The puck never crossed the goal line. We have no goal. Face-off goes inside.
Pollock on top of bombs. It's loose off the side of Lee. Anders Lee has it hit the crossbar.
You can't hit the post any more square than that. And then Anders Lee with Pesce all over him.
And that will do it. The Carolina Hurricanes come from behind and win game number 2, 2-1, with 2 goals at the outset of this third period and lead the best of 7 series 2-0.